Okay, we're down here to Fayetteville, North Carolina, and we're at the new place called Bounty Farmhouse Kitchen and Tap. And we got here a few hours ago, and we are going to do this parking lot for these people. They called us, we came down here, we're getting it cleaned up. This parking lot's rough, it's old, it's a little bit brittle, but they've called us to come down here and treat it with a rejuvenator. They chose not to do the seal coat. They didn't like the seal coat. They seen the seal coat. Everybody around them's got the seal coat. They don't like it, and they chose the rejuvenation, and that's what we're going to do here. We are going to start tomorrow afternoon. We're going to be shooting it. We're going to clean it again in the morning, fine tune it, get it tuned right back in, and then we'll trim this thing out all around the gutter pans next to the curbs. We'll trim all this out, have it all trimmed out, ready to roll. And then I'll hop on the machine and we will shoot this parking lot and have it knocked out tomorrow, and then come in here Friday morning and lay out for the line striping and put this place back on the map. They have spent a lot of money here. You should see the inside of this place. It's phenomenal. This is in Fayetteville. It used to be called the Smash House. For people that live here, you know what I'm talking about. Smash House was around for years. So this is where we're at. This is what we're doing, and we will keep you posted as we go along. But I'm going to take you through every aspect of this project. After we get it clean, when they trim it out, I'll show you some video of trimming it out, how we do it, and a video of shooting the material out of the machine and what it looks like. You got any questions? Leave them in the comments, and give us a thumbs up if you like this video, if you find it helpful. And we're going to be doing a lot more content. The guys working with me, they want to shoot more videos. They like it. They like to be held accountable. And we got a lot more coming. Thank you all for watching. See ya.